goddamn.
What the fuck is up with your brakes? Let me have a conversation with him. Now you gotta get over to the other lane.
You gonna tell him something?
Yeah.
Tell him something.
Get next to him.
Okay.
What the fuck? Yeah, it's all about right.
Good job.
Thank you. Drift around the corner.
Yeah, right. Not in my neighborhood.
Yeah, I can't wait till I get my car back. After I get it back, I'll leave too. Take. Nice. And that's only at 12 pounds?
Approximately. My boost controller is 40, 50, and 60 on the settings. 40 with my lower that. It's on 40 right now. It should be like, yeah,
12?
10 to 12, somewhere around there.
So with 10, so if I ran 10 and a half and I was putting about 60, 11 wheel, then that was what, probably 620, maybe 630 wheel?
Here, I have no idea. When I was making the horsepower before, I was like 17 pounds of boost.
17.
With possible other boosting stuff.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, definitely like a revised tune would be helpful. So is Tony starting the tune all over again? Like from scratch? Like
He just sent me one from scratch again.
Okay. And then you guys gonna have to go through the dyno and all those steps all over again?
Oh yeah, that will be way down the road. We get it like got it somewhat dialed in, just street tuning, and right now since everything's going on, it's a real slow process.
Yeah.
He'll just send me something, I'll data log a few times, send him some logs back, he'll make adjustments, I'll go out do it again. And like we're not on any time schedule, so it's really slow.
That's definitely got a really nice pull to it.
I just left 2 tire trails all the way back there.
I saw that.
much. I think your brother brake boosted. I'm not sure. It's cool though. It definitely like people see. Like, whoa. Here's my tire marks right here.
Might have warmed him up though on that.
Irrelevant.
Best time at the track? 10.4?
10.5.
10.5. Best trap? 133?
I think 133. Best 60 is 1618. Just needed all work together. In the 10.5, it was 124 trap, not shifting in the fourth.
Level 10 transmission?
Nope.
Oh.
Frankenstein. There's a couple different people involved.
That's why it works.
Yeah. So I have actually a level 10 originally did my valve body. I had it revised just to make sure they did everything. This is Moore built, which is out in Alvin, Texas. Moore transmissions built it using Alto Red and choline steel plates, and then the converter is done by IPT and Corporate Performance Transmissions.
That LSD?
That's LSD.
I felt that.
Not liking the turn.
That was a blast. Man.
Did it go into lit mode at all or no?
No, this time it stayed good.
That's good.
Yeah.